Do you need to create super and subscript items in Scrivener 3 for Windows? Here's how to do that. Now, I'm not talking about markers relating to footnotes or endnotes. Those are done automatically. But sometimes you need to add in your own for something like CO2, say. Simply highlight the letter or number you want to change, go to Format, Font, Baseline, and you'll see the super and subscript options. Select what you want and you're done. If you need to do this frequently, you'll see there are commands too. You can either highlight the text and use these, or use the command and then type. Of course, this leaves you in super or subscript, so you need to cancel that afterwards. To turn it off, press the command again, and you'll be back to normal text. If you want to know more about footnotes and endnotes, check out this video here.